Yo, V Nation, do you like RGB lights that dance to the music? Then I think you're going to want to stay tuned and check this video out, alright? Yo, Skippy, roll that intro. Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark for Loose Cruising Views, back again another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Yo, V Nation, it's your main man Mark, back again with another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at some portable, rechargeable RGB lights that dance to the music from a company called T-Base. But before we get started, can you do me a favor? Can you go down there and hit that subscribe button? It really helps the channel. Alright. We got that out of the way. Let's get back to this. Today we're going to be taking a look at some rhythm lights from a company called T-Base. Alright? I've been seeing these around the internet webs for a while, and I said, no, let me go ahead and give them a try. Alright? Let me give you a few specs real quick. It's the rhythm light bars, a two-piece with 1 hour battery time, and I think that's going to probably vary, depending on how bright you use it. It says RGB, sound control music, rhythm lights, 32-bit music level LED lights, patented noise removal software for car, DJ, YouTuber, studio, gaming, etc. All right. Like I said, they said 1 hour battery life, so you might want to keep them plugged in. Let me see what else we got on here. It says, let's see here, plug and play. Ain't really nothing else to do, no app and nothing like that. It's just basically some little small RGB lights with rechargeable battery in there. It's portable. You can take it around and do whatever. Let me see what it says on here. Let me let you see this right here. This is the box. All right, so you can kind of pause this and read it for yourself. Ain't nothing special on here. Let's see here. It says I got the LO22, I'm guessing. All right. Let's see here. 2-pack. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and get it out of the packaging. All right. Let's see here. Oh, a bunch of stuff in here. Okay. Get this box out of the way. Let's see here what we got. They got them wrapped like cigars. Wow. Let's go ahead and take that off. Set that to the side. Get that paper out of the way. I didn't want to tear it up like that, but had to tear it up anyway. All right. Comes with my little instruction booklet. You have two USB-C charging cables right here. Yep. So that's pretty cool. They're pretty short. Let me see how long they are. Yeah, they're pretty short. Yeah, they're pretty short. Not that long at all. So let's see what else we get. So we put them to the side. All right. I've got some little pedestals for them right here. Okay. That's pretty cool. Nice little pedestals right here. So let me see if I can set them in the pedestal real quick. Okay, yeah, that's pretty cool. But let's go ahead and take this plastic off. We got some protective film on the front. Let's go ahead and take this protective film off. All right. Toss that to the side. Let's do this other one. Oh man. Okay. That's pretty cool. Got it out, got it off. All right, let me let you see what we got. The power button on here. Looks like we got color, brightness, and mode on here. All right. If I'm not mistaken, it said it has 32 different color quality brightnesses, and let's see here. Let me see how many modes it has. I just seen that a minute ago, how many light modes it has on here. Let's see, 12 preset light modes, all right? So you can change the different colors. But let's see here. Oh, okay, I'm seeing. We got the USB-C charging slot right here, all right? Let's see what else we got. And I'm guessing this is the sensor. There's a sensor right here. and this is your power button, and color brightness, and you got the speed, so you can change the speed on here. So yeah, so what I want to do is let me go ahead and put these, let's go ahead and turn it on real quick first. Turn it on. Does it have any juice? Oh, okay, I didn't even see it. Okay, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Maybe I'll turn the other one on. Turn this one on as well. Okay, they look like they're on different settings. Okay, right out of the box. Get this out of the way. Let me go ahead and stand them up on this pedestal. Okay, you got it like that. And let's see, can you do them sideways? No, you can't put them in there sideways. It would have been nice to be able to put them in there sideways, but you know, it is what it is. All right, and there you go. You got some nice little tiny RGB lights that dance to music, and so you can see how big they are, because I know they look big right now. But here's a cell phone. Here's a Note 20 Ultra. This is a Note 20 Ultra, so you can see here how big it is. You know, so it's not really that big. Let me see if I got a let me see if I got a tape measure. All right, let's see here. We're looking at about 7, and let's see, yeah, about 7. It's small, very, very small. Let's see here. So what I want to go ahead and do is go ahead and I want to go ahead and take them, and we'll get some copyright-free music and see how they dance to the music. All right, hold tight.
Love interrupted by tragedy, lost in the drought of nightfall, running in search of the remedy, trying to find her place in it all, focused only on the negative. All she can attract is pain. Perception is what will manifest. Thought she could escape, but it's all the same. Birds fly south for the winter, but she ran to the west side. And though much was stolen, much still abides. And I know she'd rather keep her distance, but as time moves on, she's drifting away from me. But did the ocean breeze specify you? Did the palm trees sanctify you? I bet the ocean breeze did advise you that you'll never find you on the Thought the grass was greener, but she was safe all along.
Okay. We back. Man, these are some pretty nice little lights, little RGB lights. One thing I will say, they said battery life is about an hour. You get about an hour battery life. I don't think they was kidding, because when I was trying to do the music sample test of them, I ended up having to stop and re-record because one of the batteries had died. So it's a good thing they come with some cords, but I put my own little black cords on there. But you want to make sure you can keep them charged up. But if you want to have them set up somewhere where you ain't got to worry about them, they're gonna stay in the same place all the time, and you don't want to worry about them being charged up or whatever. Just keep them plugged in. That's all the problem. But if you're gonna be taking them around different places, just be aware that battery life is only an hour, and you're gonna have to have something to do a quick charge on it. So just be aware of that. But other than that, man, these are some nice little lights. This spice up a nice little gaming setup or whatever kind of setup you got. This is pretty nice. We got DJ booth or something like that. This is pretty cool. Like I said, some of the other specs I was talking about, they have like 8 display modes, 5 levels of brightness, and 5 speed levels. So you can also control the speed as well. And let's see what else this says. The T-Bass Music Reactive Bar gives you almost 200 of possible configurations and will work with any type of music. So basically, in a nutshell, it's basically some portable RGB lights that look like little sound meters, and they're portable and rechargeable and portable. Too cool. So like I said, if you like these, I think this is a good pickup, a very good pickup. But like I always say, man, battery life is subjective. So just make sure that you have something to charge on hand, because the battery life is not that good. That's the only bad thing I can see about these. I wish they would have had like at least a 4-hour battery life, but just 1 hour. But anyway, to me, is that a real deal breaker? No, because I'm pretty much going to have them somewhere stationary, not going to be moving them everywhere. So, in my opinion, I think this is a definite pickup. So, appreciate you guys taking out time to check out the video. But if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, notification bell, you notify new videos. Tell a friend, tell that friend, tell that friend, and tell that friend, tell a friend to subscribe. All right, it really helps the channel. And I'm getting tongue tied, but I know there's probably some questions you want to know more about. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below where you can get more information. All right, I'm not an expert, just a regular everyday person making these videos, but I'm gonna leave a link down there in the description box where you can get more detailed information on them, and also go down and hit the subscribe box. All right. Let's see here. Like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. All right. Let's see. The message for the day is, don't be a Mr. or Mrs. Bossy. Some type of people always want to try to tell you how to do stuff. They think they know how to do things better than you do, and all that kind of stuff, and always want to micromanage you and tell you, oh, you do it like this, do it like that. Man, don't be a micromanager, because that you don't really know how bad of effect that has on people. A lot of people can't deal with that micromanaging, and somebody always want to be the subject matter expert on everything. Realize that you're not the only person in the world that has knowledge. So don't be that micromanager, and don't be that Mr. or Mrs. Bossy always trying to tell somebody what to do. All right, that's the message for today. This is your main man Mark for L.S.V Views. Drop the mic, and I'm out. Peace. Yeah, I'm about to rock out.